Guys, welcome back to my yet another video. In this video we are going to make boric acid for our upcoming experiments. First, let me give you warning. This procedure uses a hydrochloric acid which is quite corrosive and can blind you. This also produces some other type of byproducts which can also harm your eyes. Warning done. Let's start the procedure. So for this experiment we need borax. This can you find at a home. Hydrochloric acid dilute. I have diluted now, just now. Funnel to filtrate ice bath. So as to precipitate the boric acid. So let's start with measuring out some of the sodium borates or not borax. It's a formula of S2 Na2 BO4O7 dot 10 H2O. 38486 gram. I'm going to use 5.44 grams of sodium borate, also known as borax. This can be very easily found. Now add it to the hydrochloric acid placed in ice bath with proper stirring. Add all the it will not dissolve properly. Now after dissolving some of the impurities was left, I filtered it using cotton. Now it has some boric acid inside it, but it is quite soluble at room temperature, but we are going to keep it in inside the ice bath. For 20 minutes I will keep it in ice bath. So I'm going to time lapse the video. So it will take quite much time, so I will not do time lapse. So I will show after when it is precipitated. Guys, when freezed for half an hour or so, it will look like this. The crystals of boric acid are forming here. See the precipitate. This is a crystal of boric acid and some are deposited here. So for the separation we have to either decant or filter it off. So firstly let me decant of the top layer water as fine as can. I wrongly did it. This will be going to use in our future videos, for example showing the green flame of it of producing a boron element boron. Now I'm going to filter it off. One filter quick look please. This is what when I did for the first time. It did not catch all of it because it would get dirty and some of the water when I washed it with water. I'm going to use, for the washing I'm going to use cold water because it cannot be dissolved. See the crystals settled on it. My camera cannot pick that because of the flashlight. It's too gooey type of texture it has. This is what I have made. It has formula H3BO4. The reaction can be Na2BO4 O7 dot 10H2O plus HCl will yield NaCl as a byproduct, and boric acid H3BO3 plus water, and soluble chloride will remain in solution, and boric acid will precipitate out in cold solution 0 degrees Celsius. When it was dissolved inside the water, it will dissolve in the water because it don't actually got soluble in water. Boric acid will inside the water, but it cannot separate easily. But I have to discard it off very quickly. I have put it in the same water in which water what was there. But it's quite pure, but can be used for many purposes. For the notification, I will use this one. Okay. Now for identification of the boric acid present on the filter paper which I used made earlier, I will light a candle and burn it. So watch it. We see that it produces or not. Sorry, it doesn't produce it any green of the flame, but I tried so that it can produce it, but it doesn't produce it. It is a radical due to the paper present in it. So sorry for the showing it. Thank you. Please subscribe, rate and comment.